Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to bake this delicious brown bread, healthy brown bread. So let's see what we can come up with. I like it hot so that butter can melt. You see, it's light and chewy and fluffy. Let's begin. I have my brown flour, butter, salt, nutmeg, sugar, yeast and water. First, I will add all the dry ingredients. I'll add my sugar, nutmeg, salt. I'll mix it well. Add my butter. I have to go in with my hand to mix the butter before I will add my yeast. Then I'm adding my yeast. I'll create a wall in the middle of the flour so that I can add my warm water. Now I'm adding the water. You can add I added nutmeg. You can add your flavor of your choice. I prefer the nutmeg. All the flour, the mix of everything is coming together. Wheat drinks a lot of water, so that's why I like it to be soft. So we make it rest for 5 minutes so that I can prepare my working surface. oil on my kneading mat. I don't want to add the flour today because I want the bread to be fluffy, no hard. So I'm adding this dough has been resting for 5 minutes now, so it's time for me to start doing the job. It's moving. Still kneading my dough to create gluten, so I'm still at least for another 5 minutes. When you created the gluten, when you push it and the dough bounce back, you know that you created enough of gluten. But I just love it, so I want to knead more, at least for another 3 minutes. And I will let it rest for 3 minutes, then I will come back in. Wait, because I'm going to do 2 loaves, so I'm going to wait in equal 2 parts. I am prepping my bread thin, loaf thin, so I added some oil inside, and I'll add some parchment paper in. I want it to be under, so I have to cut. Yeah, that will do. Need some more cutting. That's what I wanted. This one to reset. Okay. My dough has relaxed beautifully. So let me see if I can have chicken. 2 perfect equal parts. So you see here. Yeah, this one. So I'm closing the mouth. If you don't have the shape or the sizes you want, if it's too long, you can squeeze back in to make it short. But if it's too short, you can stretch it out to have the length you wanted. The hot place in my house at the moment is my oven, so let me put it in my oven and let it sit for a while, maybe an hour and a half, so that it can double or triple the size before I will start baking. Now I put my bread dough in the oven for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. It should be done. I'm using a gas oven, so it's on number 5 for 20 minutes. Our bread is ready. Just took them out from the oven. You let it cool down, then I'll take it out from the tin. Yeah, my bread is ready. Yeah, it's out from the tin, so it's on the cooling rack. I can't wait to dig in. Oh, I'm hungry. Look, it's really, really nice. And light and fluffy. I hope inside will be fluffy. It's my first try, so let's see if we win. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.